Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel इलेक्ट्रॉनिक साइंस ट्यूटोरियल। इस चैनल में मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक साइंस के सारे टॉपिक डिटेल में डिस्कस करूंगी ताकि हम कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर हो सके। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मैं फर्स्ट डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स से चैनल स्टार्ट किए and also I will teach the practical application of digital electronics in my channel. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब की बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके रखिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो लेकर आऊँ आपको पता चले। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। In today's lecture, we will learn how we construct AND gate using discrete circuit components. So let's get started. So, what is AND gate? We already know in previous lecture that is an AND gate is a circuit used to realize the AND operation of Boolean algebra. इस सेशन में हम सीखेंगे how we construct AND gate using discrete circuit components. तो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे चलते हैं. This is the circuit symbol of an AND gate where A is an input, B is the another input and Y is the output. We know the AND operation, that is A dot B. So Y equal to A dot B. So this is the circuit symbol of an AND gate. AND gate chip number is 7408. Okay. Next हम देखेंगे AND gate की truth table. In this slide, we saw the truth table of an AND gate. A and B are the two inputs. Y is the output. We know Y equal to A dot B. When A is 0, B is 0, that means both input are at logic low state. We get 0 dot 0, 0 output. When A0, B1 means 0 dot 1, we get 0 output. When A1, B0 means 1 dot 0, we get 0 output. When the both inputs are at logic high state, that means A is 1, B is in 1, that means 1 dot 1, we get 1 output. So this is the truth table of an AND gate. इस AND gate को discrete component use करके कैसे डिजाइन कर सकते हैं वो हम सीखेंगे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे. So this is the design of an AND gate using discrete circuit components. Two diodes D1 and D2 are used. Left side of the diode is N side and the right side of the diode is P side. Two switches are used, switch 1 and switch 2. One 5-volt power supply is used. The P sides of the diode are connected by a wire. The N side of the two diodes D1 and D2 are connected through two switches, that means switch 1 and switch 2. One resistor 1 kilo ohm is connected between the junction point where the P side of the diode is connected by a wire and the positive side of the 5-volt power supply. One LED is used as a display device through 330 ohm resistor. 330 ohm resistor is used to protect the LED display, otherwise it will be damaged. Okay, this is the design part. So now we saw the function part of this circuit. We already know in previous lecture that the diode is in conducting state when P side is connected with the positive voltage and the N side is connected with the negative voltage. And the diode is in non-conducting state when P side is connected with the negative voltage and N side is connected with the positive voltage. So the first condition, when we close the both switches, that means switch 1 and switch 2. Both switch are is closed condition. So this is the condition. In this condition we saw the current flow direction through the circuit. We saw the current flow direction through the circuit. Because of the diode D1 and D2 are connected directly to the ground through the switch, so the current pass into the ground through the diode. Therefore, no current will flow through this branch and thus LED will not glow. It is in off condition. So, when both inputs are at logic low state, the output is 0 we get. Okay. The second condition. When switch 1 is in logic low state and switch 2 is in logic high state. So this is the condition. Now we saw the current flow direction through the circuit. Now the diode D2 diode branch is open and the diode D1 branch is connected with the ground. So the current pass through this path. Okay. So no current will flow through this branch. The current will flow through this branch. No current will flow through this branch. So LED will not glow. So when both inputs when one input is in logic low state and the other input is in logic high state, the output is 0 we get. Third condition. When switch 1 is in logic high state and switch 2 is in logic low state. Now we saw the current flow direction through the circuit. Now the diode D1 diode branch is open and the diode D2 is connected to the ground through the switch, and so the current pass into the ground through the diode D2. Hence, no current will flow in this branch. Thus, LED will not glow again. So, in this condition, that means when switch 1 is in logic high state and switch 2 is in logic low state, the output is 0 we get. Fourth condition. When both inputs, that means switch 1 and switch 2 is in on condition, that means logic high state, the current flow direction through the circuit we saw. D1 diode and D2 diode, both these paths are open now because switch 1 is open, switch 2 is open. So the current will not pass through this branch and through this branch. So current totally will pass through this path and so LED will glow. Okay. So we can say that when both input are at logic high state or on state, we get output is one condition. So this is the AND gate using discrete circuit components, where we used two diodes, two switch, one 5-volt power supply, one 1 kilo ohm resistor, one 330 ohm resistor, and one LED display. And by this process we get the AND gate design. Okay. From this we can also verify the truth table in this process. So this is the design of an AND gate using discrete circuit components. Okay. So here we end the today's session. Thank you. If you like my channel then please like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.